Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize blog post ideas in Todoist. Firstly, you'll want to create a new project specifically for your blog post ideas. This helps us because it separates your blog ideas from your other tasks, making them easier to manage. Now that we've done that, your next step is to add your blog post ideas as tasks within this project. The reason we do this is to help you keep track of all your potential topics in one place. You can even set due dates if you have a blog post schedule to stick to. Next up, you can use labels to categorize your blog post ideas. This can be by theme, keyword, or any other categorization system that works for you. This helps us because it allows for easy searching and filtering of your blog post ideas. Moving on, let's utilize the comment section of each task. Here, jot down any key points, sources, or inspiration that relate to the blog post idea. This helps us because it allows you to capture and develop your thoughts immediately and revisit them later when you're ready to start writing. Finally, you'll want to prioritize your tasks. Todoist has a great feature called priority levels. Mark the most urgent or important blog post ideas as P1, less urgent as P2 or P3. The reason we do this is to ensure that you focus your efforts effectively and don't miss any important deadlines. So there you have it. By creating a separate project, adding and categorizing tasks, making use of comments, and prioritizing your tasks, you've just learned how to organize your blog post ideas effectively in Todoist. This system will not only help you stay organized, but it will also make your blogging process more efficient. Until next time, keep making your ideas happen.